Okay, it's the start of a new summer and I want to mow the lawn, but I fired the mower up and it's not working. So actually the mower is working, but the blade's not turning. So something has happened with this top yellow bar and the belt in the bottom. I'll give you a quick showdown and we'll go from there. So watch this. So if I get on here, I started up right here. That should start the mower, but it's not going. So what I can see, what I'm thinking is maybe the belt or the wheels on the deck are maybe seized, or maybe the belt's stretched out. So we're gonna pull that deck out, check everything over, and go from there. So let's do that. Okay, we're going under. So I see a pin right up here. Can you see that? That one right there. There's a pin there. There's a pin. Can you get that further? Right there. There's a pin right there. So I'm going to pull all these out. Is there a washer on that? Yeah, a washer. That one has a washer. Let's take that one off. Okay, so those two are off. And this one. Okay, so those are off. Okay, now we gotta do that to the other side. Okay, for this guy, it's this one here. That could come off. Okay, that drops that. And then here, this guy. That guy just fell. Okay, now we're not connected other than this wheel, which I can pull this out under. Okay, and then this, go like that. Okay, and then that's off. So now the only thing that's holding it is the cable on this side. This cable right here is coming down to here. It's right there. So if I take this, and I'm going to pull it backwards like this. So it kind of leans out. There we go.
Now it's off.
Now that can pull out.
Yep.
Okay, then we'll get. Okay, grab the leaf blower, some gloves. We're gonna clean off the deck, check all the pulleys here. One there, one there. We get our socket set. Okay, 10 mil works. So we're going to take this. We're going to take our guy like that. And actually what we might do is take the extender. Hey, we don't need that right now. So if we take our extender like that, okay? So we don't need to go full blast. If you go full blast, that could break stuff. So we're just going to put it on the tool and go a little bit slow, okay?
Why didn't twist with my hand?
Well, it shouldn't. You have to keep it straight down or I'm going to straighten the screw. Cover your ears. Okay, so that comes off. Now we can clean out underneath that one. And then, don't take the belt off, sweetie. We don't want to do that because we got to figure out how it all goes back together. You can take dirt out though. We'll do the same over here.
The trucks are perfect. I don't know. It's not working. It's not working. They're taking it apart.
Go, full blast.
Oh, those blinks don't look that sharp, actually.
Okay, so that one's moving, and that one's moving freely.
See that?
WD-40 fixes all, right? Or at least that's what they say, or we say. So we're just gonna put a shot inside there. Okay. Yeah, that runs fine. Okay, that's good. So that's working. Okay, so let's try to hook everything back up. Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna put a zap strap tight around the belt here to stop it from slipping off when the covers go on, because the belt keeps slipping off without the tensioner on the front there. So I put this around here. I can get this off when I'm done. So if I pull that tight, get this down a little farther. Right? Okay, that'll keep tension on those. I can cut that from underneath there, and now I can kind of put everything back together, right? Okay, I'm gonna hook everything back up. Probably don't need to watch that, so I'll do that, and then we'll go from there. So one quick tip, make sure you have your deck all the way down. So I got it down to 1 there, rather than all the way up. That moves the bar up and down. I'll show you right over here. So when you're hooking up the deck here, this guy right here, can you see that very well? So that goes up and down with the deck. So if that's down, you can just kind of lift the deck up and get it on there. And then we can put our washer on, and we can put our pin in. There we go. There we go. So that's a quick tip for you. Hey, great time to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Really helps me out. We're going to keep tension on that so we don't fall off the wheel. Cut that. Okay, that gave me a lot more room there. And if I get this around this wheel, okay, that should be pretty good. Now, if I add tension to this, is it going to be enough tension to get this going? Okay. Take that off. Lift that up. So note to self, clean your lawnmower before you put it away really good. I got to mow the lawn. So there you have it. If you've got a John Deere tractor or any lawn tractor and it's not working for you, get your tools out, get underneath it, get your kids involved, and try to fix it. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Jesus loves you, and have a great day.